Just look at this. Just look at it. At the background, those guns are doing the last compaction. This is the C2 complete right now. And it will be shifted to the other place that we left last time. I'll be showing you how it goes. Look at how thing goes. Look at how the nature, man. Look behind at the background. Look. This is what we do down here. And my boss is calling me over there. Yo, I'm coming, man. We are leaving. You see Ciarara at the background? Ciarara loaded. Them coming while we are moving away. You see? This is how it goes. Keep it locked, man, while I keep on showing you what happens down here on road making, right? My name is Desmond. Keep it locked. I love you. I love you guys. I love you too. You know what I'm saying? Keep it locked.